welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video. If you're new here, my name is Shaina Rene, and if you're not, hey girl, hey, welcome back to another unboxing. Yes, it's an unboxing, and by the title you should already know what I'm about to unbox for y'all. So well, I just want to let you guys know that, you know, I'm unboxing more things on my channel, and I see that you guys really like these unboxing videos, so I'm going to try my best to keep bringing them to my channel for you. So today I will be unboxing a shoe, and I'm really excited to unbox this item for you guys because this is something that I've wanted since I was in college. Like, it's an item that I've always had my, oh my god, this chair, it keeps squeaking. This is an item that I've had my eye on for a while, and I just never wanted to make the purchase. Like, honestly, I really wish this item could have been gifted to me. Like, I wish somebody would have said, hey Shaina, I really want you to have this. Here is the item. But unfortunately, you know, life doesn't always work out the way that we expect it to. So I had to finally make the purchase for myself, and it was pretty pricey, but I'm really happy with the purchase. And it's a classic item. You know, I love my classic pieces. If you guys are not new to my channel, you guys know that I unbox a lot of items that are pretty classic, things that I know that down the line that I could have and not get tired of. Prior to me doing these unboxings on my channel now, I used to make a lot of purchases that were trendy. So I'm trying to stay away from the trendy items and stick with items that I know that from years to come that I will just always have. So I know I'm chatting, but we're about to get into this unboxing soon. But I just wanted to just come on camera real quick and talk to you guys while I'm sitting here. And if you guys don't want to hear me just rant and rave, you can feel free to skip through this part. But I want to thank you guys for getting me to 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. That may not seem like a lot to you guys, but since I started my YouTube career consistently last year during the pandemic, I only started off with 600 subscribers, and to get to 5,000 is a really big deal to me because I really enjoy YouTube. And like I told you guys in the beginning of this year, 2021, I am about to be consistent bringing out these videos for you guys because I'm tired of dropping the ball and trying to pick it back up. So I'm here, and I just want to really thank you guys for all your support and all the comments, the likes, the subscriptions, yeah, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much, and let's get on this road to 10K. So make sure you guys share my videos, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can get me on this road to 10K, because listen, at this point y'all are helping me grow my community, and I greatly appreciate you guys for that. So that's what I really wanted to come out here to say before I get into this video. So we are doing a Givenchy unboxing today. Okay, so I have the box right here, which I'm about to grab. Ooh. This is the box. My light is super bright, so it keeps like reflecting off the box. But oh my god, like I told you guys, this item is near and dear to my heart. Like, I'll probably sound dramatic, but when I was in college, I first started getting into, you know, the luxury things here and there. And this item was something that I was not able to attain at the time when I really, really wanted it the most. And to me, this is kind of like a moment of, you know, when you work hard, do the things that you gotta do, you could eventually get your things, the things that you want, you know what I mean? So I'm really happy about this item, and I'm gonna get into the unboxing and stop talking because I know you guys want to see what's in here. But like I said, at one point I was not able to afford the things that I have now, and this item was definitely one of the things that were just always seemed unattainable, you know what I mean? Especially because now what I'm about to show you, this item always sells out. Like, it's literally always sold out. And the fact that I even got my hands on a pair for retail price, I didn't even have to go through a reseller. I put my name on the waiting list, and it's mine. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so what I'm about to unbox for you guys are the Givenchy Shark Lock boots. I got them in black. The leather is, I 100% calf leather. I think that's calf skin, if I'm not mistaken. So we are getting into the packaging. So this is how the shoe comes. They come already packaged in their dust bags. So obviously these dust bags are perfect for traveling. It has the Givenchy logo on it. And now we're about to just get into it. Oh my god. I know you guys can see how beautiful this leather is. Like, it has me scared to wear it because it's so smooth. So I know it's gonna get scratched up. Like, oh my god. But yes guys, these are the Givenchy shark boots in black. I absolutely love this shoe. Like I said to you guys in the beginning of this video, I've wanted these shoes for so long. So when I finally decided to make the purchase on this shoe, it was back like around my birthday. I'm like, you know, winter is coming. I'm gonna want these boots for the winter. Yada yada yada, blah blah blah. And when I finally decided, okay, I'm gonna get this shoe, it was sold out. Like, I kept going on their website. My size was always sold out. I couldn't find my size. And it got to the point like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to probably try to buy it off of someone, or, you know, one of those stylists that be on Instagram, something like that. But every time I wanted to do it that way, something just told me, just wait, just wait, just wait, just be patient, it's gonna come. There was even a time that somebody was selling a pair in my size for cheaper, like around, like, I don't remember the price, but it was severely cheaper than the retail price, like about $600 or $700 cheaper. So even that time I wanted to get it, and I couldn't get in contact with the person, and apparently they already sold it. So it got to the point where I thought like, okay, maybe it's not meant for me to have these boots, because when I tell you guys, these boots always sell out. So the other day, I literally got these boots this week actually. So today is February 26th, I believe, yeah. So I ordered these boots on the 24th, literally 2 days ago, and they came today. So I definitely just had to do the unboxing for you guys so you guys can see. But I finally put my name on the waiting list, and when I got the email saying it's available, I literally sat in my room like, girl, are you really about to order these boots? Because we said no more shopping. But I just had to get them. I love this shoe. Love. Love, 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 love. Like, so let's get into sizing and all that information. So I got these in a size 38. They are true to size. 38 is my true size. And it actually still has a little bit of room, so I can wear socks with them, which I love. I love to wear socks with my boots. So, oh my god, I just love this shoe. It's a wedge heel. I don't know if you guys can tell by me showing it to you like this. The paper that you guys see is like the stuffing. I'll actually take it out so you guys can have a better look of what it looks like underneath there. But I just love the way this just comes down and covers the heel. I think this is what makes this shoe such a statement shoe, because you don't see a lot of boots out here like this. Like, Givenchy knew what they were doing with this specific detail. Like, this is a classic, timeless piece that I know that I will have for a really long time. I really don't mind investing in purchases like this, because I know, like, down the line, I'm still gonna be wearing this. Like, oh, it's so cute. So, this is my item. What was I telling you guys about? Yes, so I got a size 38. The shoes are pretty true to size, so if you are interested in getting a pair of these shoes, you can definitely do your true size. You won't have to size up or size down. I mean, I didn't. Typically in boots, I can do a 37.5, but based on how these fit, I would suggest everyone to just get their true size, because it just fits perfectly. Like, they're very comfortable. I'm actually gonna put these on my feet right now, just so I could have a idea of just fitting once again. So I just took all the stuffing out. This is the inside of the boot. it's like a tan color. So the lock on the boot actually also moves. So you could unhook it, but I don't see any reason why you would have to unhook it, because there's just no reason to do that. So I'm gonna put my foot in. Ooh. Wish I had another angle to record for you guys so you guys could see. You guys can't even see. My setup today sucks, but you guys get the point. These are the boots. Oh, I love, 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 love. So I have them on with a pair of socks. Like I have on a pair of thin ankle socks right now, which you guys just saw. But they fit perfectly. This is underneath the shoe. This is the side. Nah, I'm a fool. But this is the shoe. They come off so easily. You know, maybe because I don't have big calves, but I've heard of people having such a hard time taking off these shoes, but they just literally slip off. But I'm hoping I can wear these next week and next weekend. Next weekend's All-Star weekend, so hopefully I got some moves in Atlanta. But these are the shoe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it's short, simple, straight to the point. I don't have multiple items this time. I know you guys enjoy seeing my videos where I have multiple items, but today I just want to give you guys an unboxing / review of this shoe. I absolutely love them. If you can get your hand on a pair, I absolutely recommend that you get them. They smell so good. They literally smell good. It's soft. I think I might have to get these taken a leather spa so that they can get like some type of coating on them, because I do not want them to scratch. But I love this shoe. If you guys like this unboxing, please be sure to leave a like and a comment, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. You know, I'm giving black girl luxury, black girl magic, you know, black girl unboxings. You know, if you like the vibe, be sure to subscribe. Oh, you guys heard that? If you like the vibe, be sure to subscribe. Period. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning into this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm about to just, you know, hug on my shoe and just wind down for the night. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Period. Thank you. Bye.